Hi everyone, this video is pretty simple and pretty similar to the last video, but I want to show you how many and how much trick we can do with one trick and how we can create a lot of slides like this. So how we can create that? At first we need to insert a new slide. In new slide we have our picture rotated and increased in size, but with a different. I copy and have two pictures and the text. So what I want to do, I just simply create a, it's sometimes happen. I'm going to create another copy of that, and after that here I'm going to use the crop option, not the resize option, and crop it, and also choose these things and crop it. And then color it black. Then simply bring it up and paste the text here. Let me copy the paste and reduce it in size and set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. Let's take a look. You see, it's pretty amazing. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice